Here's a breakdown of the 5 best free resume builder websites and what each one is actually best for. Teal is the best choice if you want job tracking alongside your resume. It lets you import your LinkedIn profile, track job applications, and optimize your keywords for specific roles, useful if you're applying to multiple positions at once. Resume.io focuses on ATS optimization. It flags formatting issues and missing keywords that automated hiring systems reject before a human ever sees your resume. If getting past filters is your main concern, this is the one to use. Kick Resume is best if you need help with the actual writing. Its AI tools improve your bullet points, suggest stronger wording, and help your experience sound more professional. Useful if you are not confident in how you are presenting your skills. Flow CV is best for customization. You can create multiple resume versions and use its templates without a watermark appearing on exports, important if you want a clean final document without paying. Canva is ideal if design matters to you. It has the widest selection of visual templates and the most flexibility for creating a resume that looks different from the standard format. Use Teal for tracking, Resume.io for ATS, Kick Resume for writing help, Flow CV for customization, and Canva for design. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.